Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create music with AI. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly you will need to come to a website called Moovbird. So just simply type in Moovbird on your Google Chrome browser, then open the first link. Now over here you will be brought to a page of Moovbird. So over here first you have to do is create a free account. So click on sign up and just simply complete the sign up process using Google or Facebook. It's totally up to you. So after you're done with that, you will have a lot of options. The first option that you will have is generate a track, or you will have the other option, search by reference. In this video I'm going to focus on generated track. So over here just simply enter a prompt that you would like, and after that you have to set the duration and then you have to click on generate track. You can also choose from genre, mood or activities, so it's totally up to you. So in my case I'm going to choose from these options over here. The first thing I'm going to choose is genre. So you will have a lot of options, as you can see right over here. Scroll down, you will have more options. So as you can see right over here, I generated a music using some moods. So I just selected a few options over here and then I came up with a track. In order to play the track, all you have to do is just simply click on the play option over here and you will be able to play the track. Now you will have a limited duration in the free version, so just simply keep that in mind. If you want to make something more similar to this, you can click on this option and you can generate a similar track, and you can also get similar music from here. So just simply listen to a music, and if you like them, click on this option over here and they will generate a similar music. Now to download the track, all you have to do is click on this download option. Now after that, click on my downloads over here. At the moment you will click on that, you will have the option to download the music. Then just simply click on download. Now over here you have to paste your YouTube page link. If you don't have one, you have to create one, because it is necessary to get the music. So after you added the channel, you have to click on continue. Now whenever you will be using their music, make sure to add credits in the description about them, and after that click on agree and download, and the downloading process should start. So just simply click on start download and you have the music. That's it, and thank you for watching. Do not subscribe to our channel. Take care.